day guys. So today is what today? February 9, 29 pala. February 29. So we're gonna crack our BGS 8.5 Manga Ace English version. So ayaw ko yung grade niya because it's so low and wala akong nakitang mali. So let's try to regrade it to the PSA. Okay guys, so here is the Manga Ace BGS 8.5. Manga Ace 8.5. So let's crack this open. So let's hoping for 9 or even better than PSA. So let's try it. So here's the Manga Ace crack open, and let's submit it to PSA after 4 months. We're in the Philippines, so 4 months. Oh, 4 months. Okay, bye-bye. So upon checking, wala naman talaga akong makita. So lilipat ka na naman. February 28, kailan ka kaya uuwi? Bye-bye Manga Ace.
Several months later.
So guys, di ba nakita nyo na yung unboxing natin, dumating na si Ace. So here we go guys. From BGS 8.5 nung krinak natin to PSA 10. So why ko ba krinak tong Manga Ace? So explain ko sa inyo guys. So krinak ko yung Manga Ace kasi feeling ko kaya niya mag 10 eh. Feeling ko wala lang kasing yung grader dito sa BGS. Kaya ginawang near mint at saka mint. Kasi centering 9.5, corners 9, surface 9, edges 9. Eh tinignan ko yung mismong card. So ito yung mismong card, lahat wala akong nakitang mali. As in, wala akong nakitang mali. Kaya krinak ko, kaya pinasa ko. Wala rin siyang whites. Maganda rin edges niya, maganda rin surface niya. Perfect din yung centering niya. Kaya dinaban ko siya sa PSA. So ayun, worth it naman. So from 50k card to 100k card. So 130 na nga sila ngayon. Yun na yung pricing ng Manga Ace kasi yung box ng OP2 ngayon is tumataas na. So ayun guys, so if gusto nyo bilhin yung Manga Ace, you can buy it at 100k and sulit na yun guys kasi English. And yung price kasi ng English card is to the moon. So one box nun is 18k, 18, 16, basta mahal na. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated and don't forget to like and subscribe. Ngayon nag-crack ulit tayo. Crack ulit tayo. So makikita nyo. Sana mag-PSA 10 to. Anyways guys, see you. Bye-bye. Ito palang Blastoise. Pinagrade ko rin to guys. So ayan. PSA 1. So ibig sabihin authentic. Ito yung galing sa childhood. Nilalaro ko to pang text dati. Hindi ko yung akalain original pala. Kasi pag fake, hindi nila i-grade. So ayan, grenade. Di ba? So, rich siya. Ayan guys.